in the morning. It was still lightly snowing, and we decided to continue on with our journey. As you can see, there was snow on the ground, but not on the road. And on the places where it was the south side of the mountain, there was no snow at all, and it was beautiful. As it started snowing harder, we decided to get off the mountain, go down to the town, and get something to eat. When we came back up the mountain, the entrances were blocked. So we turned around, went back down the mountain to find out what was going on. Apparently, Hurricane Sandy was hitting the south part of the nation, and the north part was getting snow. And they estimated that they would have at least 13 inches of snow. That made up our mind. Our trip was over, and we came home. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.